How to find dropshipping suppliers, US and EU suppliers. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the right dropshipping suppliers for your business. So let's get into it. If you have an e-commerce business and if you actually have a dropshipping business and you're looking for the right suppliers, especially US and EU based suppliers, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to find the US and EU based suppliers. So let's get into it. So first of all, you can actually go to a platform known as Spocket.co. Now, Spocket is actually a US and EU based dropshipping supplier platform that gives you the access to choose the products that are US and EU based. So this is the platform that you should definitely check out, Spocket.co, and you can create an account for free. It allows you to choose the best suppliers, thousands of dropshipping suppliers available. So you will just enter your email address right here. There's no credit card required, and you will get your own account. This is my dashboard on Spocket, and you will be able to see the products that I have here are pretty good. Now, why we are looking for US and EU based products, and if you have a business that is US and EU based and you're still using Chinese based products, then you know that we have the problem of delivery time. So what happens is that with Alibaba or AliExpress, the products actually take months to arrive, and that is not good for a dropshipping business. So we want to minimize the time where we're getting the best products from US and EU, and that will also cut the delivery time. So here on Spocket, you will be able to see the delivery time for US and EU based product is actually 1 to 3 days. The maximum is going to be 4 days or 5 days. That's it. And the minimum is like 1 to 2 days delivery. So this is actually pretty impressive that we will be able to select the suppliers that supply in 1 or 2 days. So once you create an account on Spocket, then you will get the right products here. Now it depends on you, whatever niche you have. But let me show you on Spocket. We have women's clothing available. We have jewelry and watches. We have tech accessories. We have kids and babies. We have toys, footwear, bath and beauty, pets, home and garden accessories, and more. So in more categories as well. We have men's clothing again, we have gifts, we have automotive, and more. So, how to find the right supplier, how to find the right product for your business. Now, we have some of the filters given here. So, here we have ships from. Let's say my business is actually USA based and I'm looking for products that are USA based. So, I'm going to switch to USA based here so that it eliminates EU. Then we have premium products if I want to go for. I want fast USA shipping. Then we have USA shipping under $5. So, if you want your supplier to supply under $5, you can choose that with Spocket. And then we have inventory. Here I have more than 10, more than 25, more than 50, and more than 100 too. And then we have sort by relevance, low to high. This is the price, and I can select it. I'm going to go with relevance here, and now it will show me the right products for me, and I will select my category. Let's say I actually deal in phone cases, and I got this case right here. 1 to 3 days of delivery. Shipping is $3. Retail price is $11, and the listing cost is $6. This one right here. So I will be able to make a profit out of it very easily. Let's say this is again a phone case. The price is quite similar to the one that we just saw, around about $6. This one as well. Similar pricing. The delivery is just like $3. And then we have the delivery time of 1 to 3 days. So here I will just choose the right product for myself and it will show me the supplier as well. So this is where we find the dropshipping suppliers for our US and EU based products. Now we can also find products from AliExpress. If you still want the products from there, you want cheap products, then you can switch to AliExpress too. And you will be able to then find the dropshipping suppliers from there. Then we have private labels. So the private label option is available on Spocket too. That will allow you to build your own brand and you will get your own private label packaging. So there is no minimum order quantity and again fast US delivery. So this is Spocket Co. But there are also other platforms if you want to go for. So we have salewho.com. So salewho.com is another US and EU based dropshipping platform that gives you these suppliers. But the good thing about Salewho is that you will also get wholesale pricing and wholesale products. So their wholesale suppliers are available on salewho.com. If you feel like Spocket is not right for you, you wanted to go for wholesale products, then you can go to Salewho. Then I have another platform for you guys, which is Dropify.com. So if you have a store on Amazon, eBay, or Shopify, and you are looking for a automation platform as well, then you can go for Dropify too. With Dropify, you will also be able to list your products on Facebook and Instagram. So if you have a Facebook and Instagram store, then you will be able to dropship the products from there. And if you're looking products from AliExpress, eBay, and Alibaba, and you have a US and EU based business, then you can check out Dropify. Let's get back to our main platform that I was showing you. If you have a question that what are the different platforms that you will be able to connect to Spocket, well, you can check right here in integration. You can get your products to Shopify. If you have a Wix store, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Alibaba, then we have Square, Acquid, Squarespace, eBay, and AliExpress. So all of these, if you have a store on Shopify, you're looking for a dropshipping supplier from US and EU, then you got it. You will be able to connect it really easily. With Spocket, there is a free version available and you will be able to use it, but there is also a pricing plan. So let's check out the pricing plan so you will have a better idea if this platform is affordable for your business or not. So this is the pricing plan here, and I'm going to switch to the yearly plans here. We have three pricing plans. We have 6 months in this one. We have a pro for just $24 per month if billed annually. Then we have this one, which is the most popular one. It is just $57 per month if billed annually. And then we have a unicorn, which is going to be $79 per month if billed annually. And you will be able to find the different product sizes. We have like 250 unique products. We have 10,000 products here. Then we're getting a branded invoicing in it here too. We have AliExpress dropshipping available in this one. And we have a supplier communication. Even in this one right here, you can actually chat directly with the suppliers for order related queries. So this is actually really impressive that you will be able to talk directly to the supplier that is supplying your product. If you have any question, if you have any doubts, then you will be able to talk to them. So this is actually available in the basic plan too, in the pro one, which is $24 per month. So definitely go ahead and check out Spocket.co and you will be able to find your US and EU based suppliers. Now, I'm just actually showing you as a complete beginner. If you had no idea where to go, now you know where to get started. And after that, we know that what happens, I will list the products, I will check out the products, the right products that are for me. For instance, I actually deal in women's clothing, let's say, and then I'll be able to find a lot of different products here. We have activewear, we have pants, and we have shirts and tops, t-shirts, sweaters, and hoodies that I can go for. So here I'll just get the products, add it in the import list. We have an import list here, and then you're good to go. How to connect Spocket with your platform? You can go to these settings right here, and it will show you the option of store. Go to store right here, and you're going to connect the store you want to. So I have already connected my Shopify store. You'll be able to see here. You will connect your store, and we can actually connect more than one store too. So it will show me the number of products that I have listed, and it will also give me the freedom to create an invoice. So this way you can actually get started with your dropshipping business and find the right US and EU based suppliers. Again, if you're looking for a wholesale supplier, then you can go to Salewho, and you will be able to create an account here. Creating an account on Salewho is also really easy, and you will be able to actually find the Salewho directory here and Salewho dropshipping. And then we also have Dropify. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to find the right US and EU based suppliers, and you know how to get started. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.